Conversations and interviews and making friends. Conversations and job interviews.
Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure, I'm a marketing professional with 5 years of experience in digital campaigns.
Why are you interested in this position?
I believe my skills align perfectly with the requirements of this role.
What are your greatest strengths?
I'm highly organized and excel in teamwork and problem solving.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I can be too detail-oriented, but I'm working on prioritizing better.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself growing into a leadership role and contributing to the company's success.
Asking about the company and job position.
Can you tell me more about the team I'd be working with?
You'll be working with a dynamic group of 6 people in a marketing department.
What does a typical day in this role look like?
You'll be managing social media accounts, creating content, and analyzing performance metrics.
What are the opportunities for growth in this company?
We offer training programs and encourage employees to apply for internal promotions.
What's the next step in the hiring process?
If selected, we'll contact you within a week for the final interview.
Do you have any advice for someone starting in this position?
Yes, be proactive and don't hesitate to ask questions. We value teamwork.
Conversations for making friends.
Hi, I'm new here. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. How about you?
What do you usually do for fun?
I love hiking and playing guitar. What about you?
Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
Sure, let's do it this weekend.
Do you know any good restaurants around here?
Yes, there's a great Italian place nearby.
Maintaining a conversation.
What brought you to this city?
I moved here for work about a year ago.
Have you been to any interesting places recently?
Yes, I visited the art museum downtown last weekend. It was amazing.
Do you have any favorite TV shows or movies?
I love watching Friends and action movies. How about you?
Do you like sports?
Yes, I'm really into basketball. What about you?
Let's keep in touch. Do you have WhatsApp or Instagram?
Sure, here's my number.